MCAT Genetics question of the day. Sorry, my handwriting is a bit tedious, but I hear when you tell people you're about to be a doctor, they kind of let that slide. All right, so orange eyes are inherited in an X-linked recessive fashion, while purple eyes are passed on in an X-linked dominant fashion. A female with orange eyes and a male with purple eyes are planning on having a child. What's the likelihood that they will have a male with orange eyes? So the first thing to do with these sort of genetics questions is to write out the parents' genotypes. So we'll start off with mom. So mom will have an X chromosome, and then she'll have a lowercase o's on both because she has a recessive allele. Because if mom had one dominant allele, then she would have purple eyes, but because she has orange eyes, they'll both be recessive. Okay, so then moving on to the father. So dad will have XY chromosomes. Y won't have anything because this is X-linked, and because he has purple eyes, he'll have the dominant allele, which is capital P. Okay, so then let's draw out our unit square right here, and then just fill it in. All right, so XO, XP. So I'm just writing them on top of each other, but typically you would do them side by side. Okay, so XOY, and then XO, XP, XOY. In the comments, really quick, let me know what colored eyes these females will have. So we can see that the male offspring over here can only have the XO allele because they're getting it from their mother, and the Y chromosome doesn't have anything to do with this gene. So the males can only have orange eyes. So what is the likelihood that they'll have a male with orange eyes? Don't be tempted to put 100%. This is actually incorrect. And that's because the question is asking you, what is the likelihood that they'll first have a male, and then that male has orange eyes? Okay, so the likelihood that they'll have a male is actually 50% or half, and then you multiply that by 100%, right? Because that's the likelihood of them having orange eyes, and then that'll be 50% likelihood of them having a male with orange eyes. So the correct answer is A. Like and follow if you found this video helpful, and let me know what questions you have in the comment section down below.